In today's video, I'll show you how to export responses from Typeform step by step. If you want to download your form data for analysis, reporting, or backup, this process is very simple and beginner-friendly. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then open the form from which you want to export responses. Once the form is open, click on the Results or Responses section. This is where all submitted entries are stored. Inside the Responses dashboard, you will see all the answers collected from users in real time. Now look for the Export button. Click on it to open Export options. Typeform usually allows you to export your data in formats like CSV or Excel, depending on your needs. Choose the format you prefer. If you want to analyze data in spreadsheets, CSV is the most common option because it works easily with tools like Google Sheets or Excel. After selecting the format, confirm the export. Typeform will generate a downloadable file containing all your responses. Once the file is ready, download it to your computer. You can now open it, organize it, or import it into other tools for analysis. If you want more advanced workflows, you can also automate exports using integrations with tools like Zapier or CRM platforms, so responses are saved automatically. Before finishing, always double-check your exported file to make sure all fields and responses are included correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export responses from Typeform and manage your data efficiently. And that's how you export responses from Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.